This visualization tracks the biological routine your body commits to every single night. You descend through a series of 4 to 6 90 to 120-minute cycles, dropping past light sleep and down into a deep, restorative phase, where your heart rate and breathing slow to repair your physical body. But at the very end of each cycle, the pattern shifts entirely as you enter rapid eye movement, or REM sleep. Your pulse quickens, your eyes dart rapidly behind closed lids, and your brain activity spikes to levels that mimic being completely awake. Yet at the exact same time, your voluntary muscles become entirely paralyzed. Locked in the state of physical immobility, you experience intense, vivid hallucinations. You navigate fabricated environments and interact with scenarios that do not exist. To a strictly logical observer, biology forcing a creature into a paralyzed, hallucinating state for hours seems like a dangerous evolutionary glitch. Why would human biology mandate such an energy-intensive, bizarre state in order to survive? The strangeness of our midnight movies is caused by a radical shift in brain chemistry during REM. The neurotransmitters that keep us conscious and alert, like serotonin and histamine, are suppressed, while dopamine levels, a chemical linked to hallucinations, surge. Looking at this brain map, the prefrontal cortex, your logic center, powers down and goes dark. Immediately, the brainstem fires chaotic electrical signals upward in a process called activation synthesis. Without logic, the cortex desperately stitches these random sparks together into a bizarre narrative. These strange stories are the result of a brain trying to make narrative sense of internal electrical static without its critical thinking tools. This logic-free environment serves as a highly purposeful evolutionary laboratory. One major theory suggests the brain uses REM sleep for data management, reviewing daily learning and pruning synapses to improve memory consolidation. Scientist Francis Crick hypothesized that dreams help erase unwanted or parasitic neural activity that could otherwise degrade the brain's information systems. Researchers have also identified a second possibility, the threat simulation theory. This suggests dreams function as a safe virtual reality where the brain can practice surviving dangerous situations or rehearse unfamiliar daytime behaviors. A third vital function involves emotional regulation, where dreaming acts as a form of overnight therapy to safely process difficult or stressful feelings. We see clinical evidence in individuals with PTSD, who often experience recurring nightmares as the brain attempts to regulate severe emotional responses to trauma. These strange hallucinations represent the byproduct of an evolutionary Swiss Army knife, performing necessary cognitive, physical, and emotional maintenance. Every night, our bodies balance surreal, impossible stories against highly structured biological needs. These midnight movies are the literal exhaust fumes of a brain doing heavy lifting. Consider this the next time you wake up from a bizarre, logic-defying dream. That dream is proof that your brain has successfully completed its vital shift, sorting your memories, regulating past trauma, preparing you for the waking world.